Through the miracle of video editing, time has passed. We're on the road.
Amazing. Yes, we are back on the road, headed off in a new direction.
Been going south. So now we're gonna go east.
Yep.
Headed over towards Alabama.
Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama.
Yeah, out that direction. We'll decide later today where we want to end up in that direction.
Right. Like always, there have been no reservations made. We have only looked at areas or things to do, so we'll base our stay off of that.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
We're on I-12 in Louisiana.
Yep.
And we're trying to decide where we want to go in Alabama. Because I was thinking, let's go up north to Huntsville. They got the Space and Rocket Center, which looked really cool.
And I was thinking go south to Mobile.
Yes, and what did we find in Mobile to do?
Oh, there's the Battleship Museum. So they've got World War II battleships, subs, tanks, planes, stuff like that. And
I love anything World War II. So I was almost instantly like, yeah, let's go there. So guess where we're going?
I win. Mobile. We're going to stay a little further south, which is what I wanted. Anytime we start to head north, I start to get angry because it means that we're slowly moseying back home, and I'm not really looking forward to that.
Yeah, so we're going to check out a state park. We've never done a Alabama state park before.
No.
So we're going to check that out, see if we can get in there when we get there. It's currently like 11:12.
Yeah, just past 11.
Yeah. We've just been fighting traffic this entire time across Louisiana. It's not like we're trying to drive fast either. We're just fighting traffic. It's good right now.
Right. Yeah, right now it's perfect.
It's good.
Right now it's like no big deal whatsoever. But the first couple hundred miles or 100 whatever miles we were in the state, it was just
bumper to bumper.
Bumper to bumper. Tons of cars, tons of truck traffic. They would take the space in between us and the vehicle in front of us, thinking it was for them, and it's our buffer space, so that when they slam on their brakes inevitably right in front of us, that we had space to slow down, which they just took. So that's the stuff that drives me nuts.
Yeah, so we're just going to make our way over there. We're going to stop in Gulfport, Mississippi, get fuel, maybe look for a Walmart to restock a couple things, and make our way over to that state park.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
We are at yet another Flying J, taking a lunch break. It's the first time in our trip that we've hit rain.
Yeah. It's kind of not cool. Mississippi. Not cool.
Yeah, we're in Gulfport. Got fuel, getting lunch, and just sitting here, doing nothing. But we needed a rinse on the truck and trailer anyways because it was like covered in a layer of salt from being down there in Galveston. So the next stop is to the campground. It's 80 miles away roughly. So check-in's not until 2. It's currently 5 till 1. So we'll just make our way over there leisurely.
Yep. Yeah. This is what gives me anxiety. Heavy rain.
It's not that bad. I can see daylight ahead.
Yeah, finally we're seeing some daylight again. It's so hard and heavy on the road that it just sits there and people don't have their lights on. And
It's like pressure washing the trucking trailer.
yeah, that's the only bonus. I want to go back to Texas.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway.
You'd probably be able to see the skyline better if it wouldn't stop raining.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Not treating me very well, Alabama. You're gaining up on the list with Mississippi right now.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So I'm so sick and tired of breaking this thing down and putting it back together all the time, so I just pulled the pin out. Just do that.
Except I need to teach him proper deadlift form. Ta-da!
Well, we ran 500 miles today. Got all set up at the campground, and it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it is a very nice state park.
It really is. What's the name of it?
Maher?
Maher? Well, put it in text down here for you.
Yeah, it's like M-A-H-E-R. I can't
Something like that. We'll put it in text down here. It's small, but everything's full hookup. Everything's got huge 65-foot long pad.
And like this huge blacktop pad too.
Yeah, and
Big picnic table.
it's here. There's water behind us.
Which they advise you not to swim in because there are gators.
Yes, they said do not let your dogs swim in the water, and do not let people swim in the water because of alligators. And let's see if I can zoom in here. That right there is I-10 way out there. I can barely hear it.
Yeah.
It's not like I-30 at the KOA in Texarkana.
Yeah, that was right there. That was like where these trees are.
Yes. So we're gonna just spend some time here at the park, chilling out,
Yeah.
and then another day we're gonna go to the USS Alabama.
Yeah.
Battleship.
We're really looking forward to that.
Yeah. But we just want to kind of hang out here, do this, just nothing, just do nothing
Do
for
the
a
chill
while.
thing for a little bit.
Yeah.
After all the driving.
So we'll catch you guys later.
See ya.
We're gonna see a battleship.